Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make curry at home veg. Gather your spices, vegetables, and a pot, and prep ingredients before you start. I will walk you through easy steps from toasting spices to simmering a rich sauce, with tips for texture and seasoning. You will learn quick swaps for protein and dairy-free options, plus ways to lift flavor without hard-to-find ingredients. Start by measuring your spices and chopping vegetables for even cooking and consistent flavor. Toast whole spices briefly in oil to release aroma, then add onions, garlic, and ginger until softened. Stir in ground spices and tomatoes to create a fragrant base, then add vegetables and a liquid like water or coconut milk to simmer. Taste and adjust salt, acidity, and heat as it cooks to build balance. Heat oil and cook aromatics until soft, then bloom spices to intensify their flavor profile without burning. Add tomatoes and simmer briefly, then introduce firmer vegetables first and softer ones later so everything finishes together. Maintain a gentle simmer and stir to prevent sticking, adding liquid as needed for desired thickness. Finish with fresh herbs, acid like lemon, and a pinch.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.